I'm Komal, I'm representing India here. My startup is called Excelpat Labs, and we're basically the world's largest and the most intelligent technology database. So technology searching and analysis is very, very time consuming. It's very costly. The technology databases are scattered all over the world. They're in different languages. So that's the pain point we were trying to address, to make it more automated, to make it faster, to make it easier for users to use. What we've tried to do is we've tried to license in all of the world's technology data from all over the world. It's about 100 million documents. So we work with a lot of top universities all over the world, including India. And what happens in those universities is that students have a lot of great ideas, right? And these are ideas that they want to take forward. They want to patent them. They want to file IP over it. So universities grapple with the issue of how do they test whether that idea is new or not. So for example, if you're looking for any ideas which are happening in the space of hiring a taxi through smartphones, you just put taxi hailing, smartphones, GPS, it gives you all the world's ideas which are related to that idea. And then the universities, the IP departments, the technology transfer departments can see whether it's actually worth filing IP in that or not. We didn't spend time gathering the data, we spent time on putting intelligence over it. I've had some very fruitful meetings at the DLD conference with investors, and I really hope that we'll be able to go from here and take something back home.
With over 1,000 users who have already signed up on the platform, serial entrepreneur Komal Talwar claims that Excelpat Labs is already in the green. So it was no surprise then when this intelligence database company won the DLD Tel Aviv Meet the Leaders Startup Challenge 2016.